I have here a triple slow cooker. You can see there's 3 separate pots, so you can individually do 3 different things. You can also adjust the temperature with the dial up front here for each of these 3 separate pots. So the pot itself can come all the way out. That's going to make it a lot easier to clean the pot when it becomes dirty. The lid can also tip up and sit on this little holder, so you don't have to set it down on the counter or anything like that. It makes it nice and easy and convenient. And you can see it's got a little notch right here for a spoon, so you can have a spoon in even with the lid on top. So when you're ready to use this, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually prep all your food. You can take each of these out and bring it over to closer to where you're preparing stuff and get everything in it and ready to go. Once you've got everything prepped, then you can move on to the next step. So whenever you're putting these into the base here, you want to make sure that it's in properly and securely all the way down. So now that I got my food in these 3 pots, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and then adjust the temperature. I'm going to do different temperature depending on what food I've got, which makes it really nice. You've got a warm setting, a low, or a high that you can choose on the front of this to make sure that you don't burn or undercook your food. So inside I chose to do some black beans right here, some refried beans here, and then some cheese over here, so that we can do a little taco bar. This is going to be perfect for this because I can heat these up separately and keep them warm throughout the whole meal, and it'll work perfect. So you can see I've got different temperatures in the different pots. So this is going to be super handy, just like with any slow cooker. Once you get it turned on and prepped and ready to go, you don't have to constantly monitor this. You can leave it for some time and come back and just check on it periodically, so you can forget about it for times and it will still keep cooking. So these are all done cooking now. They're all nice and hot and ready to go. Now that they're done, I can turn them all down to warm just to keep things warm while we eat. You can move each one individually, or you can take the whole thing and place it where you want. It's up to you how you do that. Also, if you want to, you can unplug it and turn it off and move it somewhere else if you don't have power where you're going to be serving. So you can have the whole pot base at the table, or you can take off each individual pot really quickly and easily and just set them at the table to do a buffet style if you want. So we got everything ready to go. We're now ready to eat. It's going to make it super easy to dish things up and make our plates. So we're done eating. These are super dirty now. One nice thing is you can either hand wash these, or if you want, you can just put them in the dishwasher and wash them that way. Super easy to clean using the dishwasher. This triple slow cooker is super nice. It's easy to use, easy to fill. It's nice that each one does different temperatures. Really easy to clean up as well. You just throw it in the dishwasher if you don't want to deal with it by hand. So I'd recommend this to anybody that wants to have a party or likes to just keep things simple and easy. This is a great choice for you.